Everyone, you need to hear this. I completed my first 5K marathon and I'm super duper happy. As you can see, I'm all sweating and I just came back. But this video is not about me boasting about my talent. This is the first time I have run in my entire life, and the motive of this marathon was not to win, not at all. I've already given up my entire life competing for the first, second or third position throughout my school and maintain that consistency in my college as well. So this marathon was not about it. What I want to say that yesterday I sprained my ankle and my form was also not good because this is the first time I'm participating in any sports activity. And I was in double mind, should I go or not go? But I was like ki chalo karke dekhte, like what is the worst that can happen? And I was like, I will not compete for winning, but I will try for completing the race. And I completed the marathon, and my timing is not great, but I'm so proud that I showed up on a Saturday morning at 6 a.m. and then completed this whole thing. And it feels amazing. So backstory, the only sports activity I have ever participated was spoons marble race and वो सुई धागा वाला race in school, and उसमें भी मैं जीत नहीं पाई. So then I decided कि मेरा sports से हो गया अब, and from that day I have not participated in any sports activity. So yeah, that's the relationship with sports, and I hate everything related to sports. Only recently I started swimming, which I am really enjoying, and then this run. But this year is to try all the new things. So what I want you guys to say is that कि मैं कोई पीटी उषा नहीं हूँ, तो मुझसे तो इंस्पायर मत होना, बट मेरे वर्ड से इंस्पायर होना. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन हु जस्ट इज इन डबल माइंड, शुड आई ट्राई समथिंग और नॉट, जस्ट गो हैड एंड ट्राई इट. लाइक व्हाट्स द वर्स्ट इट कुड हैपन, राइट? यू कुड फेल, बट तुम्हारी जिंदगी तो नहीं जाएगी, राइट? यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डाई, बट इट्स वर्थ ट्राइंग. एंड there's one more thing which I want to say is that this medal is for my mother. So she was a really good athlete. Like now you can't, if you see, you can't tell, but she was a district level athlete, and she used to participate in this races, this relay, this javelin throw and all of that. And she was really good, but she was not allowed to pursue her dreams and she had to give up those. So I was just telling my mother कि तुम मुझे कैसे मोटिवेट करना चाहती हो, तुम मुझे क्या टिप्स देना चाहती हो. And my mom was like, तुमने क्यों पार्ट लिया, you know, like you can't even run 500 meters. And then I was like, no, we'll do it. So yeah, this is for her. And yeah, so have a great Saturday, have a great weekend. Bye.